So guys, I'm not here if you hear me. Not sure if you hear me, but a storm. There's a storm, and it's a horrible storm. It's summer storm. It's so scary. It will bring some freshness, but oh my god, is it scary. Oh. And the lightning keeps hitting behind my building. Oh. Oh, the water is coming into the room. Oh my god, oh. Okay, I'm wet now. Oh. Okay. Oh. Closing my window, guys. Okay, this, oh my god. Not sure if you can hear it on my window now. Oh. It's scary. It really is scary. I know rain shouldn't be scary, but this is scary. Oh. Okay. Oh my fuck. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna stop now because I'm getting creeped out. Sorry guys, but I don't like storms. I mean, I love storms when they're not thunderstorms, but this is just like horror movie. Oh. Okay. Going inside my little room now, guys. My little bed. Okay. Safe. And not that safe. I wouldn't be outside right now. Oh. Okay, so oh. Okay. So love you guys and talk to you soon and bye.